Bumble and Bumble editorial stylist Sabrina Michaels is going to create a full-bodied blow-dry on Talita using thickening hairspray. Talita has fine hair with a wavy texture. To begin, Sabrina applies tonic lotion throughout to detangle and add moisture. Then, she uses thickening hairspray and works in small sections, misting from roots to ends, then combing through to distribute. To start building volume for the blow-dry, Sabrina uses her hands and the blow-dryer to get hair mostly dry and start to create the style. She focuses on the roots using a technique called wrapping, moving the hair from side to side in an upward motion. To begin the round brush blow-dry, Sabrina works in sections, 2 on the side and 1 in the back. Starting at the front, she round brush blow dries section by section. Twisting the hair as it cools encourages the shape. Moving to the back, she starts at the nape. She blow dries in an upward motion to create volume. Maintaining tension at the root is key for creating lift. Sabrina finishes the look with thickening cream contour to smooth flyaways and to add polish and definition. The products we love to use to create this full-bodied blow-dry are tonic lotion. Tonic lotion helps to soothe, detangle, and add moisture. Thickening hairspray, an essential tool for creating lift at the root. Thickening cream contour, a shaping cream that adds definition without weighing hair down.